How to scan Discord QR code. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I'm going to be guiding you on how you can scan your Discord account's QR code, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to scan your Discord QR code, first of all just make sure that the QR code is actually visible on your screen. Then just open up your mobile phone, and then once you open up your mobile you want to simply open the Discord app on it. And once you open the Discord app, from the bottom right you can see this little smiley emoji icon. Just tap on that icon and then you'll come to this page here. And once you come to this page you just need to scroll and then look for the option called scan QR code. As you can see over here, just tap on scan QR code. Then just make sure to actually scan and place it inside this camera settings. It'll ask you for your confirmation, are you trying to log in? So I'll just tap on yes, log me in, and now you can see I have successfully scanned and logged in. This is how you can scan your Discord QR code. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.